Hello friends, welcome back to I Made Me Think end-to-end website testing using Selenium, Cucumber and Java. So we were discussing about general ticket booking website validation, and we saw important features, we saw some examples, we saw end-to-end scenarios. We have done a code walkthrough for top layer like feature file and implementation, and the Selenium WebDriver code, page objects, element locators, page factory. We also saw some HTML and console output reporting. Now let's discuss about the utilities code. Let me walk you through the utilities code. So for end-to-end website validation, we should have multiple utilities which we can just start using. So one of the utility is to initialize a browser. So initialize WebDriver and initialize abstract page is done here. Then initializing specific page objects for Redbus or for ClearTrip, and instantiate WebDriver we have seen. Similarly, terminate. So whenever we have initialize, we should have a terminate. And then other utility is to compare the actual and reference homepage loading time, general pop-up handling. So we can handle the pop-ups here with multiple types of pop-ups and what to do, how to handle those. We can check broken links, we can check broken images, you can check all frames. And another thing is to see that whether the mobile app is able to download, or basically we'll go to iOS store or Android store, Windows store or BlackBerry, and then we can validate depending on the website. So Redbus is there on iOS, Redbus app is there on Android, it is on Windows, it is not on BlackBerry as of now. So these are the utilities, general utilities. Other thing is the social plugins. So when we click on the social plugins, say go to Facebook page or go to Twitter page, so social plugin handling for particular website, so go and verify the URL or verify the page title or whatever attributes you want to post something, you want to update something, that we can handle here. Twitter handler, Instagram, Google Plus, Instagrams and many more. So we can start, as of now it is in abstract format, we can expand it. Payment handler and payment data. So payment data, I have gathered some fake Visa card, debit card, credit card from internet, and then we can just start using it. It is a fake, so it is not a real payment option. And payment handler, so we have this third-party payment called Citrus Pay that is handled. Those are the web elements for those third-party Citrus. So payment handlers are here. Then property file, so we have one properties file here. So from properties file we read the home page loading time, typical website load time 20 or more, wait time 40 seconds. So handling the properties file is done in here. So initialize property handler, read single property get, so read the get the value, and single property set. So it will open the properties file and then it will update. For example, if you want to update it to 40 seconds, this is to 30 and 50, we can do it. And general init terminate, so this is again utility where initialize general supporting items. So this is common for all the scenarios for any kind of website. For example, if you want to do a database initialization, db init, or Excel or Apache POI handler, Excel CSV handler, properties file handler is implemented, or any other such thing. We can do it all, or we can do it individually. So DB or Excel or CSV or properties. So similarly, when we have init, we will have terminate. So terminate is basically closing all, disconnecting the database and closing other related applications. So other utilities is get numbers, get random strings, get some random name for a user, get some string, you get the date or a day. So many required utilities I have designed. Next is the user management. So for many purposes we need different type of users. So this is the user information for a particular, so for example for website we typically need the name, gender, age, email, contact phone. So all transport or journey related website, what all things are required here. Some things are common but some things are specific. Similarly for clear trip there are not many but little or very small variables. So this is all about the general utilities. It is readily available, we can just go ahead and start using it. Thanks for watching.